Alright, beauties, this is the vegan coffee that I have been drinking recently. You just need black coffee. This is lightly sweetened with vanilla. And then the Planet Oat Extra Creamy is my favorite. I use it for my iced coffee and for my oatmeal. And then I use 1 little teaspoon of brown sugar. I have a tiny bit of warm water in my cup. And I'm going to dissolve the sugar first. You don't have to do this, but I like my coffee slightly more sweetened, but not too much. So this works perfectly for me. It dissolves well. Think of it as obviously like a simple syrup. We're going to get a ton of ice, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the Planet Oat Milk. I really enjoy this one. I don't feel like it's super expensive. I like the texture of it. It doesn't have a weird aftertaste or anything like that in my opinion. And then I'm going to top it off, of course, with the coffee, and then I stir it up and I enjoy it. And the way that I make this, even having the sugar added, it is only around 120 calories. And you can see it makes a lot. I really like it a whole lot. You can also add some cinnamon if you wanted to. But that is it. I hope you enjoy, beauties.